Hey, well, we are looking at a beautiful forecast. I think this would be Dom Tiberi approved. By now, I know his type of forecast. Let's go ahead and take a live look around town where we have beautiful blue skies as you look over in the Heath and Newark area. Let's also take a look at, Cambridge, where there's plenty of sunshine. So looking nice at this hour. Mostly sunny skies over Buckeye Lake and with our 10 TV tower cam. But we are tracking some changes off to our west. You can see that line of showers starting to develop from the Chicagoland area, stretching almost down to Dallas. And so northwest Ohio gets clipped with some of this rain heading into tonight, but we are more than likely going to see this line approaching us getting in the latter part of your Wednesday. So I'm going to zoom into the map real quickly where we're starting to get a little more cloud cover from about Lima up toward Toledo. Rain showers starting to overtake the Fort Wayne area. But then as you look towards central Illinois down into St. Louis, that's the line as it continues to push eastward that'll impact central Ohio. So highs over the past week, we have been all over the board. Today, we hit 73, though, matching yesterday's high of 73. Average this time of year, upper 60s. So we've had a couple days above average. And right now, we're sitting 2 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday. So not quite noticeably warmer, but just a smidge out there. Our current conditions, well, we have 71 up in Bucyrus, 70 in Mount Gilead, 73 here in the city. And then down to our south, Chillicothe reporting 70 degrees. In fact, as you scour the map, there's only 160-degree temperature, and that's 69 in Caldwell. The rest of us in the low, if not mid 70s, with MacArthur reporting 75. So for the next several hours, we will eventually slide out of the 70s, probably as we get closer to maybe even 6, if not 7 o'clock. Once you get past sunset, those temperatures tumble 60 by 9, but then we kind of plateau out in the 50s. Clouds will increase, and that's going to be kind of a blanket of insulation for tonight. So we're looking at another mild one with some increasing clouds. 53, the forecasted low. Winds will be out of the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your sun sets, well, officially at 6:58. Let's look ahead to tomorrow because we are looking at a marginal risk of seeing some strong to severe storms. Now, the primary threat with this will be some gusty winds, but with the warm temperatures that we've had and approaching cold front, that clashes, creating some instability. So tomorrow, 66 degrees around the lunch hour, 73 and still maybe mostly cloudy at 4, but it's about 4 o'clock onward that we start to track the chance for some rain. So some light rain starts to approach I-75 tomorrow at about 7 a.m. That becomes very scattered and breaks apart midday. You might get a little sprinkle around central Ohio around the lunch hour. But what I'm following is about 3 o'clock onward. Some light showers, some heavier rain and storms begin to develop to our southeast around the dinner hour closer to sunset, with that stronger line then approaching us as we go into the overnight hours, and we'll get some clearing behind that. So we end up getting some sunshine on the tail end of your Thursday, but some early morning showers on Thursday, not enough to highlight that day in red. Just beware, though, you could hear a couple rumbles of thunder come Wednesday night going into Thursday morning that could break your sleep pattern there. But 60 degrees on Friday. We get back into the upper 60s on Saturday, but Saturday and Sunday, I'm holding out for maybe about 30% chance of rain, and then we cool off going into next week. Those overnight lows come Tuesday morning and beyond in the 30s, with highs only reaching the low 50s. And so we've had a nice stretch of warm days, but boy, are you going to feel the difference for the next work week, Yolanda.